Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how we can create a KEGG pathway map using a simple web tool. Pathway R package is normally used to draw KEGG pathway map, but in this video, we will use srplot website which do not require any coding to draw KEGG pathway map. So let's go to the computer screen and show that how we can proceed. So as you know that this is the srplot website, so how we can access to this website? So we can simply go to bioinformatics.com.cn/en. So from here you can click on this transcriptome, and here you can see pathway map add color. So you can simply click on this to draw your KEGG pathway map. So we need to input the data in this box to draw any KEGG pathway. So what we should have our KEGG pathway ID and fold change value. So let me show you that how you can prepare your data to input in this data box. You can prepare your data in the form of this. The first should be the pathway ID. This pathway ID you can access to the KEGG pathway map because each pathway has its own unique ID, and here are the enters are the gene ID, and here is the log FC value. So what you need to do, you need to copy all these entrants or gene ID including their fold change values, and you can simply click here and you can paste your input data, and from here you can select the output format, whether it would be in the form of PNG or PNG2. So I will select redraw and faster, and I will simply click on the submit button. So here you can see our N-glycine biosynthesis pathway is ready to download, and if you want to save it in the form of PNG, so you can simply click here and you can save your image. So you can start it again, and here you can see our pathway is ready. So hopefully this video will be helpful for in drawing your any specific ID KEGG pathway map. But if you have still any question in the use of this website, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.